guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am so happy you found us. Today we're here to talk about anxiety and the nerve you activate to help lessen your anxiety. So let's get started. But before we do, be sure and hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you'll know when more videos are posted. So the vagus nerve is the nerve that comes out of the base of the brain and travels down and through to the stomach area. And this nerve is responsible for when you get anxiety, when you get depression, if you get like that fight or flight sense, and maybe your heart starts pounding, you have trouble breathing, your stomach gets all knotted up. When the vagus nerve activates, your heart rate will calm down, your breathing returns to normal, and your stomach will come out of those knots. This nerve is really great. Besides doing those things of calming your heart rate, bringing your breathing back and everything, it also helps lessen your anxiety and your depression. So today I'm going to show you 3 exercises to activate the vagus nerve and how you can use this when you're having a bad anxiety attack. Now, please be careful, and remember, with this one, less is more. It's just little bits to help. The first 2 exercises I'm going to show you for your vagus nerve are 2 that we already do. After we review these, I'm going to show you 3 new ones that will really help lessen your anxiety and your depression. So, the first 2, like I said, we already do. If you've done any of my warm-ups or cool-downs, you've done them. So the first one is simply tilt your head to the right, hold for 5 seconds, bring back center, tilt your head to the left, hold 5 seconds, and bring back center. And then chin to chest, hold 5 seconds, and back to center, and head back. And center. That's the first vagus nerve exercise. The second one is when I have you roll your shoulders, both forwards and backwards, or clockwise and counterclockwise, however you want to look at it. Those are 2 of the exercises that you already knew. Now the next 3 I'm going to show you will really help to lessen your anxiety. So for the first exercise, we're going to put our right hand on top of our head. We're going to lean our ear towards our right shoulder. And while keeping our head straight, our eyes are going to look up. And that's all we're moving is our eyes. Okay? So we're going to do this for 30 seconds. Keep those eyes up. Okay, good job. Okay, so now we're just going to do the left side. Left hand on top of the head. Left ear to left shoulder. Face stays straight. You just move your eyes up. And we're going to start for 30 seconds. And we're going to start for 30 seconds. Okay, good job. Okay, for this next exercise, our hand on our right hand on top of our head, our right ear towards our right shoulder, our left hand grabs our right rib cage and pulls in. We are making like a C with our body, and then to activate, your eyes go up and to the left while your rest of your body faces forward. If you have any type of rib issues or back issues, just stick with this one. Don't worry about pulling, okay? And we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. So, and eyes up. pull the ribs in if you can. But remember, nothing is like yanking, pulling. We're just holding. Keep the eyes up and to the right, the face facing forward. Okay, release and shake it out if you need to. And now we're going to do the other side. So left hand on top, left ear towards shoulder, right hand grab the rib cage, and eyes off and to the right for 30 seconds. Face stay straight, eyes up and to the right. And pull the ribs in, not hard, just gently. You're trying to make a C with your body. And remember, if you start feeling emotional or a funny breath, just stop. You can stop altogether, or you can go finish the last one. Okay, shake it out. Now for this last one, we're going to come out of our seated position. So you'll need carpet, a towel, a mat, or whatever. And we're going to lay on our tummies. Okay, and then we're going to place our elbows under our shoulders. Okay, and you want a nice straight line. Okay, and then all you're going to do is look over your shoulder. You're going to feel a stretch in this big muscle beside. You're going to feel a stretch in this big muscle beside your neck, the big thick one that gets tight all the time. You're going to feel a stretch in that one as you look over. And this exercise here is not only good for anxiety, it's also good for tension headaches and migraines. We're going to do it each side, hold for 30 minutes. Make sure that your elbows are directly lined up under your shoulders. That's the best support. That's the best for your back. Now, and then you're going to look over your shoulder, no more than that. And you're going to hold it on both sides, and we're going to do 30 seconds. So let's get started. Just like this. For 30 seconds, elbows are directly under your shoulders. Now, if you have back pain, just do the first one because you don't want to cause any damage to anything else. And like I said, this one's good for migraines, tension headaches, and good for anxiety. Okay. Now we're going to do the other side. Just look over the right shoulder this time, or the left, depending on how you started. You're just looking over your shoulder. Your elbows are directly lined up with your shoulders. Your head is turned, but your eyes are really turned. Okay, and those are our exercises to deal with anxiety. I hope those help. You can let me know down below in the comments if they help. I would love to hear it. Also, I will list some other ways to activate the vagus nerve to help with anxiety down in the description. So be sure and try those other ways out as well. Always check with your doctor before starting an exercise program if you have any pre-existing conditions or you have any pre-existing injuries to the muscular or skeletal systems. Again, share your results, how you think this helped with your anxiety down below in the comments. I'd love to see how it helps everybody. Thanks for being here with me today, guys, and come back tomorrow because we are taking good things into 2021 with us, and we're leaving the bad into 2020, And we're going to talk more about setting goals, how to set the ones that really will succeed, resolutions, and all that fun stuff. So I'll see you tomorrow. But for now, take care. Bye.